Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today we have a nice job. Well, it's one friend from work. He just gave me his iPhone 11 Pro Max. Um, the back is also bad, yeah, but we're gonna do only the screen replacement. Yeah. So we have a new screen. I already take off the two screws underneath. Oh, I haven't repaired the phones maybe a year or something like that, or even more than a year. Um, but yeah, that should be a simple job. Yeah, it shouldn't be nothing to worry about that. We have a screen, we have everything what we needed. Hopefully that will not take too long. Yeah. Let's we go ahead and see what we can do. So here is the phone. That's the two screws which I take off already. So we're gonna heat it up a little bit. Usually these screens they come off easily. I'm gonna use my rusty blade. I can't find where is the new ones. I've got the new ones, but I can't find where they are. Oh, come on. Okay, let's try with this. Well done. Go ahead slowly. Let's redo it on another side as well. Oh Lord. He's cracked it nicely. Well done. Okay. And put the screen like that so to be more comfortable. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. That should be alright. Oh Jesus, I've got so many screwdrivers here. I don't really know which one to use. That's the only thing I don't really like when I do any Apple device, because they use different screws for everything. I mean different size. So what we're gonna do first, we're going to disconnect the battery. Jesus. How we gonna do, I don't know. Let me find another one. I can't believe it. Okay. Tweezers, okay, they're not here. Just give me a second. Okay. That's it. I need to disconnect this battery. I can see something plastic. Check and use it, probably that one. There it is. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's not that one. Can't believe it. I'm quite surprised these screws are all the same size. That's interesting. Okay, do we have more of them? Well done. And what we have here? 1, 2, 3 connectors. Yeah, which we have to get. We'll do them. 1. Come on. 2 and 3. Our screen is out. Yeah. On the old phones, many of the things are here are glued, yeah, and it's a bit difficult. But no with this one, because what I can see here is only 2 screws. No, 3. Okay. So we've got our new screen, brand new screen. We have to transfer these things. Yeah. Is anything to peel off here? I think no. That should be alright. Cool. Let's see what type of screws we've got here. This screwdriver. Yay, this is working. Okay. Do that one. Second one, and here is one very tiny screw which I've seen it. Hopefully I can get it done with this screwdriver, which I don't think so, but oh yeah, it come off. That's lovely. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to lift this one a little bit, just like that. Hmm. Maybe we still have to heat it a little bit. Well, it's okay, it's come off. Okay, let's reheat a little bit. And that should be enough. Hmm. Assuming this thing is gluey. That's it. These get melted, so that's alright. have to do now is we have to put all the things. The sensor and the speaker. Okay. It's no hard job. It's no hard job, but sometimes it's taking time, and you know, also like I say, I haven't done it from a long time, and I must get used to do that every day, but I haven't done it in a long time, and you know guys how it is. Well, that's all what we have to do. So we need the phone back, and we have to connect all these things back together. Plus we also have to be a little bit careful, you know, because these screens which we buy from Amazon, you know, like everyone knows, they're not original, they're copy screens, and you never know. Well, everything looks to be okay, but let's we put the cover on so can hold the connectors to back in place before we connect the battery. To make sure it's nothing gonna come off. At least all the screws are the same size, so we don't have to separate them all around the table and remember which one is from where it's come from and things like that. Like even the Apple MacBook, I have some for repair. It's taking me more time to take the motherboard out from the chassis than the actual repair time. But yeah, it is what it is. Let me plug in the battery. Battery is plugged in. And let's power on the device. Way, we have the Apple logo. Well, as I said, it's a simple job and it's nothing really to worry about. Yeah, you just need to take your time, and you can do it anytime. Here it was a password. Let me just okay, it's not gonna work like that. Let me see what was the password for it. Oh yeah, I'm just done. Just want to make sure, yeah, everything's working fine. So yeah, let me see, how can I power off this thingy? I don't really like this phone's power off. There we go. Or let me just continue with what we are doing. Yes, we put the battery cover back. There we go. And a few more screws and we are done. Oh lol. There we go. Just really make sure it's perfectly close. And then have the last two screws. I think I have to stop the autofocus of this camera because it doesn't look okay. Yeah, it's not okay at all. Okay. Well, I just take this camera in a few days ago, so I'm not really playing with the settings, so I have to find out because it doesn't look okay. Yeah, that's all. That's the broken one. Yeah, and that's the new one. Is it working? Probably. Let's try again. Yeah. So, yeah, like I said, it's a very simple job. Nothing to worry about. Yeah. take time, like always, and like I said, I haven't repairing the phones from long time, maybe a year, maybe a year. Um, we're gonna have another job soon. Um, I've done 2 3 vacuum cleaners. The cells has to be replaced. Bosch. Yeah, but I haven't done any videos about us. I haven't got that camera, but well, even I have it now, I still have to find out some settings and things. Yeah, that was everything for today, for tonight, for today. When I have another interesting job like this, I'm gonna post a video. Yeah, hopefully that's gonna be soon, very, very soon. See you guys. Have a wonderful evening, a wonderful day, and see you in the next one. Bye.